Secrets of Space episode #1 The beginning of the universe. Imagine going back in time far back, not thousands or millions, but 13.8 billion years ago. At that moment, there were no stars, no galaxies, not even space or time itself. Everything in the universe was compressed into a single, unimaginably hot and dense point, called a singularity. Then, in an instant, something extraordinary happened. The Big Bang. This wasn't just an explosion in space, it was the creation of space and time itself, the very birth of our universe. Big Bang Theory. When people hear the term bang, they often imagine a bomb exploding in empty space. But the Big Bang was different. It wasn't an explosion in the universe, it was an explosion of the universe. Space itself began to stretch, time began to flow, and energy transformed into matter. This is the story of how everything we see today, planets, stars, galaxies, and even life itself began. How did scientists discover it? Edwin Hubble's Discovery 1929. The astronomer Edwin Hubble studied distant galaxies through his telescope. He noticed something surprising. All galaxies are moving away from us. This meant the universe is expanding. If it's expanding today, then long ago, everything must have been much closer compressed into a single point. Einstein's relativity, even before Hubble. Einstein's theory of relativity suggested that space and time are not fixed, they can bend, expand, or contract. Hubble's discovery confirmed Einstein's predictions and gave birth to the Big Bang Theory. Evolution of the universe. 0 seconds. Singularity. Everything matter, energy, space, and time was trapped in a tiny, hot, dense point. The temperature. Beyond imagination's trillions of degrees, the seconds. Inflation. The universe suddenly expanded faster than the speed of light. This phase is called cosmic inflation. In a fraction of a second, the universe grew from smaller than an atom to larger than entire galaxies apart. Unisecond forces of nature appear. Energy broke down into the 4 fundamental forces of the universe: gravity, electromagnetism, strong nuclear, and weak nuclear forces. 3 minutos. First elements. The first simple atoms formed hydrogen and helium. These still make up most of the universe today. 380,000 years. Light is released until now. The universe was like a fog light couldn't escape. Then, atoms came together, and for the first time, light traveled freely. This leftover glow is still around us today, known as the cosmic microwave background. See, 1 billion years. First stars and galaxies. Gravity pulled gas together to form the very first stars. Stars lit up the dark universe and began creating heavier elements. Galaxies formed and grew 13.8 billion years later. Today, billions of galaxies fill the universe. Each galaxy holds billions of stars, and around some stars, planets orbit, including our own Earth. Scientific evidence of the Big Bang cosmic microwave background (CMB) discovered in 1965. It's the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. It's like a baby picture of the universe, showing us what it looked like 380,000 years after it began. Redshift of galaxies. When objects move away, their light shifts toward the red part of the spectrum. Nearly all galaxies show this redshift, proving that the universe is still expanding. Element abundance. Big Bang calculations predicted the universe should mostly contain hydrogen and helium. Observations confirm this. These are indeed the most common elements in space. Philosophical questions. But the Big Bang also raises deep mysteries. What came before the Big Bang? Where did the singularity itself come from? Are we living in just one universe? Or could there be a vast multiverse with countless universes beyond ours? Famous physicist Stephen Hawking once said, "Time itself began with a Big Bang. Asking what happened before it is meaningless." Yet, humans are curious, and science continues to search for answers. Conclusion: the Big Bang Theory explains how our universe began and how it has evolved over billions of years. But the story isn't complete. New discoveries might one day reveal what came before, or what lies beyond. The beginning of the universe remains one of the greatest mysteries in science. If you enjoyed this journey into the secrets of space, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment your thoughts below. In the next episode, we'll explore how stars are born and how they die. Stay tuned for more cosmic mysteries.